Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video for you as we compare two fantastic kitchen faucets that have been making waves in the market. On one side, we have the amazing Faucet Gold 3-hole kitchen faucet mixer tap with a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute. And on the other side, we've got the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. Stick around as we dive into the features, design, and functionality of these two impressive kitchen fixtures. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the design. The amazing Faucet Gold 3-hole kitchen faucet boasts a luxurious gold finish, bringing a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With its 3-hole installation, it provides a classic and timeless look. On the other hand, the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG features a sleek and modern design with a pull-down single handle, offering a more contemporary vibe. Both faucets are aesthetically pleasing, but it ultimately depends on your kitchen style preferences. Moving on to functionality, both faucets come with impressive features. Amazing Force Faucet offers a 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate, providing a strong and consistent water stream. The 3-hole configuration also allows for separate hot and cold water controls. Meanwhile, the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG comes equipped with a convenient pull-down spray head, making it easy to reach every corner of your sink. Its single-handle operation adds simplicity to your kitchen tasks. Now, let's talk about durability. The amazing Faucet faucet is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. The gold finish is not only elegant, but also resistant to corrosion and tarnishing. The DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG doesn't lag behind, featuring a sturdy build with a corrosion-resistant finish as well. Both faucets are designed to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. Installation is a crucial factor for any kitchen fixture. The amazing Faucet 3-hole kitchen faucet requires a 3-hole configuration, so make sure your sink setup is compatible. Step 1. Put all hose into the sink hole. Step 2. Screw big black nut to the faucet under the sink. Step 3. Clasp weight to the place of the pull-out hose. Step 4. Connect waterline hose to angle valve. Make sure it does not over tightly by wrench. It comes with all the necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. On the other hand, the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG is a breeze to install with its single-hole configuration. Step 1. Take out the gaskets and nuts. Step 2. Put all the hoses into the hole. Step 3. Attach the gaskets and nuts. Step 4. Tighten the screw to fix it. Step 5. Connect the hot and cold water supply hoses. Step 6. Tighten the cold and hot water pipe nulls with a wrench. Step 7. Unscrew the gravity ball screw. Final step, install the weight on the weight here label. Installation complete. The pull-down spray head and single handle design simplify the installation process, saving you time and effort. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Here are some pros and cons of the amazing Faucet Gold 3-hole kitchen faucet. Pros: stylish design, pull-down sprayer, 3-hole installation, 1.8 GPM flow rate, easy to install. Cons: gold finish, durability. Overall, the amazing Faucet Gold 3-hole kitchen faucet mixer tap is a stylish and functional faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. However, it is important to consider the price, the finish, and the flow rate before making a purchase. Here are some pros and cons of the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet. Stylish design, pull-down sprayer, soap dispenser, ceramic cartridge, easy to install. Cons: finish. Overall, the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. However, it is important to consider the price and the finish before making a purchase. Both the amazing Faucet Gold 3-hole kitchen faucet mixer tap and the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG pull-down single-handle kitchen faucet offer unique features and styles. If you prefer a classic look and a higher flow rate, the amazing Faucet faucet might be the one for you. On the other hand, if modern design and convenient functionality are your priorities, the DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG is a strong contender. That's it for today's comparison video. I think DAYONE Day-APS136 BTG kitchen faucet right for you. Let us know in the comments which kitchen faucet caught your eye, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy kitchen remodeling.